Hey guys, this is Satya. Hope you are doing well today. Today we're going to learn about the Photoshop CS6, the basic tools for beginners, which is part 3. In the part 1 and part 2, we have covered few sessions wherein we have understood few tools about the Photoshop CS. Now, in this particular session, the tools that which we're going to cover is pen tool, the text tools, the path selection tools. We understand the shape tools, how to use the hand tool, zoom and color tools. So now let's quickly go to Photoshop and just understand the concept of using these particular options. So we'll directly go to the pen tool first. So the pen tool is an option wherein which is utilized for drawing different kinds of shapes. In this way you will be able to draw different kinds of shapes with the pen tool, and this is the tool wherein we will be getting the arc, and directly we can go ahead and edit that particular arc, and you can make different kinds of shapes and fill in the colors, give the stroke and all. Now the next option that which we have is free transform pen tool. With free transform pen tool is the one wherein you will be able to freely draw a shape which we are looking for with the this particular option, and you can go ahead and make the changes in terms of colors, right? For each and every tool we have different properties available over here. The properties like shape, the color, the stroke, and you can change the size of the border that which you are giving. And if you want to go ahead and change the line strokes, you can still go ahead and do that in this way, and you can give the width, height and merge cells and all. So in this way you will be able to identify this particular pen tools. Add an anchor point tool. Add an anchor point tool is the one wherein you will be able to add a different anchor in the sense a dot, wherein you can go ahead and edit that shape of the one that which you have prepared, and this way you will be able to change it, and you can add a specific dot with an add an anchor point tool. So that delete anchor point tool, same, you can go ahead, if you select this you can go ahead and delete this particular point. So in this way we will be able to use this particular pen tools. We have understood about the pen tool, free transform tool, add anchor tool, delete anchor tool. For each and every pen tool that which we are utilizing, we differently have the fill options, the stroke options, along with the size, and different kinds of lines or the stroke lines which we are utilizing right now. So in this way you will be able to use this particular tools. Now next comes the text tool. In text tool we have four different options, which is horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, horizontal type masker tool and vertical type masker tool. Let's understand what is this. First we'll talk about the horizontal tool, which is we are writing something over here which is coming as a horizontal. If you want to go ahead and change the font, you can do it. You can change it to regular, italic, bold, change the size. You can give the smooth, the sharpness or crisp, or whatever you would like. Change the text direction, either to center, right, or if you want to change the color of this particular thing, you can go ahead and do it. You can change the colors. And if you want to change the text level of the style, if you want to give any specific style to your text that which you are looking for, you can still go ahead and do it in this way. And this way you will be able to utilize this particular text options. So in text we have the another option, which is vertical, the second one, the vertical type tool. Then in this we will be able to get the data or the text written in a vertical way. See here, in this way we will be able to get the data. You can change size, height, or whatever it might be. You can select, you can change the font, you can change it to bold, italic, whatever it might be. Give the size what you are looking for, give a smooth or a strong or a crisp angle. You can change the direction of this particular text in this way, along with the colors as well. In this way you will be able to utilize this particular tools. Next comes the horizontal mask tool. This is also a kind of same option that which we had earlier with the mask tool or the text tool, which we are already working on it. We can give the change, we can change the fonts and all, the same option like which we have used earlier. In this way, vertical, and this way we will be getting it. And this way you'll be getting it. And the next comes the path selection tool. Path selection tool is the one wherein you will be able to go ahead and move this particular object that you have created with the pen tool. In this way you can move, you can change the direction, you can increase, you can decrease, whatever you can utilize this particular tool in such way. Next comes the shape tools. In shape tools we have different shapes called rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line tool, and custom shape. Let's understand first about the rectangle. And this way you can draw a line. You have the properties, you can change the colors over here. If you want a color which is given to the outline, you can change that. You can increase the size or decrease the size of that particular line which you have already given, or change the shape of the line. And this way you will be able to give the different kinds of effects for the shape that which you are drawing. Ellipse, a circular, a polygon. You can even draw lines as well, right? So in this way you will be able to go ahead and draw the objects of whatever shape you are looking for. If you want to change colors, you can still go ahead and change it, and this way you will be able to utilize the particular color specifics. Okay, so the next comes the hand tool. In hand tool, the rotate view tool is the most important one, because with this particular thing we can go ahead and rotate the document or the photo or the effect that which you are looking at. The complete page can be automatically rotated. Next comes the zoom tool. The zoom tool is the one wherein you will have to, if let's say for example if you are working on a specific small object and if you want to increase the color, or if you want to specifically work on that, you can zoom it by just clicking over here. You can just zoom it. If you want to zoom out, you can just zoom out as well in this way. Next comes the color palettes. Color palettes is the one wherein you can have the different kinds of colors over here available. So you can go ahead and change it, or whatever color you are looking for, you can go ahead and implement this particular colors in the document that which you are working for. So these are the basic tools: the pen tool, the text tool, the selection tools, the different kinds of shapes that which we have, the rectangular, the polygon, the ellipse, etc. And we have understood about the hand tool, the rotation hand tool, the zoom tools, and color palette. So these are the topics that which I've covered today, guys. Hope you have learned about this particular session and understand the concepts of using the basic tools in Photoshop CS6. So thank you so much for watching this particular video, and please do subscribe for our channel, and we will be doing more and more kind of these kind of sessions or videos in future. Please go ahead and subscribe our channel, and please do like our page as well, and please comment for whatever your thoughts are in terms of your feedback, or if you want any kind of specific videos or specific tutorials in future as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.